This is my carrot granola. In a medium saucepan, I'm gonna turn this on to a low heat. We need 1/8 of a cup of carrot juice, 1/3 of a cup brown sugar, maple syrup, and agave syrup, and 1/8 of a cup canola oil. So while this is coming up to a light boil, we're gonna mix 2 cups oats, 1/4 of a cup pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and 1/3 of a cup whole almonds. We need just a little bit of salt. Now we have white sesame seeds, poppy seeds, ginger, cardamom, and cinnamon. And then we add our liquid to our dry ingredients, about 1/3 of a cup carrots. And then the final step, we gotta bake it. We're gonna put this into a 300-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. This is Stonyfield organic Greek yogurt. There's no added sugar. You're getting great calcium, lots of good protein, and I'm gonna take some big chunks and just place it right on top. This is so good. It really does taste like dessert for breakfast, but you know it's a lot better for you.